Hey, welcome to Sundaish English, where you don't just learn English, you live it. Ready to sound natural, think in English, and speak with confidence? Let's get started. What if the difference between sounding like a learner and sounding like a native speaker isn't your grammar, isn't your vocabulary, but one simple reaction? A reaction that feels natural, human, effortless. Let me show you something real. Imagine this. You're talking to a friend, and they say, "I just met a celebrity, randomly, on the street." Now stop for a second. What would you say? Maybe, "Wow, that is very surprising." Grammatically correct, yes. But does it sound real? Not really. A native speaker would simply say, "That's wild." And in that moment, something changes. You don't sound like someone who studied English. You sound like someone who lives it. So what does "that's wild" actually mean? It doesn't mean animals. It doesn't mean nature. In real life, it means, "That's crazy. That's unbelievable. I can't believe that just happened." Let's go deeper. Picture this. Your friend calls you late at night and says, "I just won the lottery." Not once, but twice. What do you say? You don't say, "Congratulations, that is statistically improbable." You say, "That's wild." Because language isn't just about information. It's about emotion. It's about connection. It's about reacting like a human being. And here's the truth most textbooks won't tell you. Native speakers don't always choose the most correct sentence. They choose the most natural one. The one that feels right. Now here's something even more interesting. "That's wild" is flexible. You can use it for something shocking, something unbelievable, even something slightly crazy. She quit her job and moved to another country the next day. That's wild. He finished a marathon without training. That's wild. They turned a small idea into $1 million business in 1 year. That's wild. Do you see the pattern? It's always about something that makes your brain pause and say, "Wait, what?" That feeling is exactly what "that's wild" captures. Now compare it with textbook English. That is very surprising. It's correct, but distant. It sounds like you're analyzing, not reacting. But "that's wild" feels immediate, emotional, real. And that's the secret of natural English. It's not about perfect sentences. It's about perfect moments. Knowing what to say at the right time. But be careful. "That's wild" is casual. It's perfect with friends, great in conversations, ideal for storytelling. But in formal situations, maybe not. You wouldn't say to your boss, "Your report, that's wild," unless you're ready for a very interesting meeting. So here's what I want you to do. Starting today, listen carefully. When something surprises you, don't translate in your head. Don't search for perfect grammar. Just feel the moment and say, "That's wild." Because English isn't memorized. It's lived. And the more you live it, the more natural you become. I've prepared 15 comprehension questions for you, designed to test your understanding, sharpen your listening, and help you think deeper in English. So listen carefully, answer thoughtfully, and challenge yourself. Drop your answers in the comments. If this helped you, don't just watch. Join the Hub. Subscribe, stay consistent, and take your English to the next level. Sundaish English Hub, where language meets knowledge. Disclaimer: this content is created solely for educational purposes. Yes, purely for learning. Specifically to help English learners improve their listening, reading comprehension, vocabulary, and critical thinking skills. So as you listen, don't just hear the words. Feel them, understand them, live them. Learners are encouraged to use this material as real English practice, focusing on developing natural language ability and understanding academic-style texts. Because here, we don't just study English, we experience it. Learn English with Sundaish aims to combine language learning with global knowledge to create something meaningful, something powerful, something engaging. For English learners all around the world, let's grow, let's think, and let's elevate our English together.